guys, and welcome to the Friesen Kitchen. My name is Annika and today I'm going to show you how to make the softest, fluffiest and most delicious cinnamon rolls. So I'm going to break down the recipe into 3 parts: the dough, the filling and the frosting. For the dough we're going to need 1 cup of warm milk, and it's about 100 Fahrenheit, 2½ teaspoons of active dry yeast, 2 eggs, 1/3 of a cup of unsalted butter and it's room temperature, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a cup of sugar, and 4 cups of all-purpose flour. We'll start off with activating our yeast. I'm just going to add the dry yeast into my warm milk, let it sit for 15 minutes, and then we will be right back. So the yeast is done, and you can tell it by the top, it's bubbly and foamy. So we're going to add this mixture into our mixing bowl, add all the remaining ingredients but the flour. So let's do it. This is good. So now I'm going to sift the flour into our mixture here, and please don't skip this step because it makes for the softest and most airy cinnamon buns you will ever have. And I'm just using a coarse sieve right here. So the flour is all in here. I'm putting it back on the standing mixer, and then we're just kneading it until it comes together like a dough. It will be a little bit tacky, but it's fine. Don't worry. Okay, the dough is done, and look how perfect. It's slightly sticky, but nothing sticks to my hand. So now I'm just transferring my dough into a slightly greased bigger bowl. Then I form it into a ball, cover it with a damp towel, and then let it rest for 30 minutes in the oven. So while we're waiting for our dough to proof, we are getting into part 2 of our recipe, the filling. So you will need 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon, 4 tablespoons of heavy cream, half a cup of unsalted butter, room temperature, and then 1 cup of light brown sugar. So the next step is pretty simple. You just add everything to the light brown sugar and then mix, mix, mix until you have a lava-like consistency. And set it aside until we're ready to use it. The dough has proofed and it has doubled in size, as you can see, so now we are ready to roll it out. To make this process a little bit easier, I like to dust everything with flour, and then I just take a rolling pin and then roll it out to a 24 by 15 inch rectangle. For the filling, I like to use a cake spatula, and I just smear the filling all over the rectangle until everything is evenly distributed. And then I just roll it up as tightly as possible. To cut the roll, I like to use a dental floss or a regular knife. I do cut the roll into 10 to 12 pieces, and then I put them into a greased 9x13 baking dish. And then I cover it all with a damp towel and then let it rest for 2 hours. I know it's a long time, but so worth it. Let's check out our cinnamon buns. Our cinnamon rolls have risen triple in size now. I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of heavy cream and then I bake them at 375 for 20 to 30 minutes or golden brown on top. So the cinnamon buns are done. I'm going to get them now. Oh wow. That looks like perfection. I will set them aside and let them cool off. Now comes the third and final part of the recipe, the frosting. And all you need is 4 tablespoons of whole milk, 3 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and 3 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. Now just combine all ingredients and mix well. So last but not least, drizzle your delicious homemade cream cheese frosting over your cinnamon rolls. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye!